Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry shiitake mushroom with scallion soy sauce. Hope you like it. Shiitake mushrooms are delicious, with a unique tangy aroma and a light, woody flavor. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: shiitake mushroom, ginger, coriander. Sorry, my coriander has started to wilt. Wash and chopped coriander. Coriander has a unique flavor, with a fresh lemony and herbaceous aroma, along with a slightly spicy and slightly bitter aftertaste. After cleaning the mushrooms, cut them into pieces. The stems of the mushrooms can be removed by hand. After shiitake mushrooms are cut into pieces, their rich flavor is easier to release and they can better absorb seasonings during cooking, making the taste of the dish richer and more layered. Chopped ginger. When ginger is chopped, its spicy and aromatic components are more easily released, and the flavor is strong and distinct, adding a warm and stimulating flavor to dishes. Heat the pan and add the mushrooms. Cover the pan and dry fry the mushrooms with the moisture of the mushrooms. This process does not require any seasoning or cooking oil. Dry fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. The reason why stir-fried mushrooms turn brown is that the water on the surface of the mushrooms evaporates quickly during the high-temperature stir-frying process, causing the sugar and amino acids to undergo a Maillard reaction, producing color and aroma. This cooking method not only locks in the deliciousness of the mushrooms, but also gives them an attractive golden coat and a richer flavor. Add cooking oil. Add chopped ginger and stir-fry with shiitake mushroom. Add a teaspoon of soy sauce or scallion soy sauce. Stir-fry evenly. Add coriander. Smells so good and looks so appetizing too. After adding soy sauce to stir-fried mushrooms, stir-fry quickly for about 1 to 2 minutes to ensure that the mushrooms are evenly colored and absorb the aroma of the soy sauce. The stir-frying time should not be too long, otherwise the mushrooms will be too dry or the soy sauce will burn, affecting the taste and flavor. Sauté mushroom with scallion soy sauce is ready to be served. Garnish with coriander. This stir-fried shiitake mushrooms has a richer and more delicious flavor and goes very well with rice. The reason why stir-fried mushrooms are a good dish to go with rice is that the unique cooking method makes the mushrooms slightly burnt on the surface, while the inside remains tender and smooth. This texture contrast increases the pleasure of eating. Secondly, the natural freshness of the mushrooms and the aroma of the seasonings are perfectly integrated during the stir-frying process, creating a rich sense of layering and stimulating appetite. Finally, the rich aroma and nutritional value of shiitake mushrooms can enhance the overall flavor and increase appetite when paired with rice, making them a popular dish to go with rice. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Shiitake mushrooms have many benefits for the elderly. First, it is rich in dietary fiber, which helps promote a healthy digestive system and prevent constipation. Second, the polysaccharides in shiitake mushrooms can enhance immunity and help the elderly fight diseases. Furthermore, shiitake mushrooms are rich in vitamin D, which helps bone health and prevents osteoporosis. In addition, the antioxidant components in shiitake mushrooms can help slow down the aging process and protect cells from free radical damage. Finally, the low-fat and low-calorie properties of shiitake mushrooms also make them an ideal choice for a healthy diet for the elderly. Shiitake mushrooms also have multiple benefits for women. First, the selenium and antioxidants in shiitake mushrooms help to resist free radicals, delay aging, and keep the skin young. The iron contained in shiitake mushrooms can help prevent anemia, especially for women during menstruation and pregnancy. The B vitamins in shiitake mushrooms help regulate metabolism, maintain energy levels, and reduce fatigue. Fourth, the low-calorie and high-nutrition characteristics make shiitake mushrooms an ideal food for weight loss and help control weight. Finally, the natural compounds in shiitake mushrooms also have a positive protective effect on health issues unique to women, such as breast health. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.